Good morning, Cabrits here. How high fiber foods can help your gut. So, panoorin nyo hanggang pinakadulo yung video para malaman nyo po siya. Okay, yung high fiber foods are essential for gut health because they feed your beneficial gut bacteria and support healthy digestion. So, ganun po siya. And ito po yung mga pamamaraan kung paano nakakatulong yung mga high fiber foods sa ating bituka, ha. So number one is feed good gut bacteria, prebiotic effect. Certain types of fiber, especially soluble or fermentable fiber, act as a prebiotic. Okay? So pangalawa, we have promote regular bowel movements. Okay? Na keeps your digestive system clean and moving. So pangatlo, we have strengthening the gut barrier. Okay? So meaning to say na nagpapa nagpapalakas yung bituka natin sa pamamaraan ng kain natin ng mga high fiber foods. Now, pang-apat, balances gut microbes. So, a high fiber diet supports diverse gut bacteria which is marker of good health. So, ganun. So, number five, reduces gas and bloating over time. So, sa mga bloated dyan, pwede din po kayo kumain ng mga high fiber foods. Okay? So ito po yung mga pamamaraan examples high fiber foods and gut-friendly foods. So available po to kahit saan mang store sa buong Pilipinas. Number one is oats. So the type of fiber of oats guys is soluble. Okay? So number two, apples, soluble and insoluble. Okay? Number three, lentils or beans. Okay? Soluble siya. Leafy greens, vegetables, insoluble, and chia flax seeds is soluble. So daily tip also guys, aim for 25 to 35 grams of fiber per day and drink plenty of water to help fiber work effectively in your gut. Okay? Thank you so much. Don't forget to follow me and share this video to your family and friends para ma-inform sila sa mga good information na sinishare natin dito. Salamat, bye!